So we're doing an unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch Mario Edition Oled. Is that what it's called? Oled Red Mario Edition. Looks really cool, looks neat. Philip, do you want to open it?
I like that. That's hard to take out. That's hard.
Okay, I'm sure you can manage.
That's how to do it.
You put them like that.
Huh?
You put them like that.
Yeah. Whoa, it's big. What? That? I don't know what that is.
We'll find out in a minute. Let's see. Should we see what else is in the box?
Yeah. Oh, I know that one. That put on that to blow on TV.
Oh, okay. So that's for when it goes on to the TV. Maybe the other. Okay.
Wow,
Makes
that's
sense.
so cool. That put the game, and I don't know what that is.
What's that?
I know. Oh, look at that. I like it.
Okay, well, that's the unboxing video. That's everything that was in the box. Are you excited about your new
Yeah.
purchase, Philip?
Yeah. I don't know how to take it off. That's different.
Are you a very happy boy?
Oh, that now.